How to hide your Tinder profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your Tinder profile. So, let's say you want to hide your Tinder profile from either your friends or family so that you don't want them to see your Tinder profile. So, in order to hide your Tinder profile, first of all, you'll have to open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Tinder account. Now, once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you can either like or dislike people. But since we're here to hide our profile, we'll simply tap on the profile option on the bottom right. After that, tap on the gear icon on the top right. After that, you will be taken to the settings page where you'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option delete account. So simply tap on it. And there you can see the option pause my account and delete my account. So in order to hide your profile, you'll have to altogether pause your account instead of deleting your account. So once you pause your account will be hidden from people and they won't be able to see your Tinder profile or your Tinder account. So that is basically how you hide your Tinder profile. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.